everyone. So in today's episode, I will discuss about the ambitious goals of the food industry aimed at sustainability, explore the complex web of factors that influence food systems, and shine some light on the cutting-edge digital innovations that reshape the landscape of the food value chain. So a sustainable food system ensures that safe, nutritious and healthy food is available to everyone. So this system should be in sync with the environment while respecting animals' welfare also. So it should promote local economies and provide fair compensation to all food value chain stakeholders. So a sustainable food system strives to balance the planet, people and animals' need. So to improve our population's health and nutrition, we need to focus on vulnerable groups firstly, like on children, older people and women. We should also take some measure to secure food availability and strengthen our ability to withstand global health crisis and chemical change. So initially, if we talk about the historical context and the current stage, so initially the food industry concentrated on evolving efficient hardware and processing techniques to enhance production and quality. So innovation in agriculture tool equipment such as stone mills and methods of food preservation significantly improved the food quality and its supply as well. So the food industry has transferred into a vast interconnected network stretching from agriculture to consumer tables. Increasingly use AI, big data, 3D printing, block technology to address the rising demand for food diversity, safety and sustainability. It enables more efficient farm management, streamlined processing operations, optimized distribution and logistics, enhanced retail and food service experiences, and empower consumers to make informed and sustainable choices. So let's discuss about some key technologies across the food value chain. So as we all know, food system is a complex web of interconnected activities that involves many processes from starting from the farm to fork. It involves food production, processing, distribution, consumption till disposable. So during production, farmers today leverage cutting-edge technologies to boost crop production. Many farmers use GPS technology, drones and satellite imagery to monitor crop health, apply inputs precisely and optimize irrigation. They also install IoT sensors to monitor soil and environmental conditions in real time. Additionally, they also employ robotics and automation to manage crops, and some use AI-powered analytics for data-driven decision making and yield forecasting. So if we talk about processing, the food industry is known for utilizing modern technologies such as automation, robotic and computer control systems. These systems are used to handle, package and label food products. Additionally, the industry leverages the power of AI and machine learning to improve quality control and optimize production processes. Blockchain is also used to provide traceability, and intelligent packaging is employed to maintain the freshness of the product and provide insights on handling. So next, if we talk about the distribution. So supply chain management softwares, those are very critical in streamlining logistics and inventory management. Optimizing transportation routes not only minimize food waste but also significantly reduces the cost. So IoT devices equipped with sensors and GPT trackers are invaluable for monitoring temperature, humidity and location during transportation. So this also ensures that food products remain in optimal condition throughout their journey. Next, if we talk about retail and food service. So currently online shopping and delivery have become convenient with the help of e-commerce platform. So ordering food and checking nutritional information have become made very easy via mobile apps, personalized recommendations and inventory management, which have been improved by AI technology. Waste reduction have also been made possible through intelligent shelves and RFID technology. So last is consumption. So currently various tools are available that can help people to manage their dietary and health goals. Mobile apps can track food intake. So at the same time we have VR and AR technologies that can provide immense education on making healthy food choices. Social media can also influence consumer behavior, and AI can be used to analyze trends and develop innovative food offerings. So what's the main role of big data and AI? So big data and AI are transforming the food industry, optimizing supply chains and boosting food safety. Restaurants leverage technology for operational oversight, and predictive analytics assist consumers in selecting high quality dining experience. So local producers can implement blockchain technology for traceable products, which enhances consumer confidence and promoting sustainability and local food ecosystem. So personalized marketing and computer insights. So through in-depth data analysis and AI, companies can deliver personalized product recommendations and marketing strategies that precisely cater to the consumer preference and behavior. So this approach can boost sales and significantly enhance customer loyalty and satisfaction, which can at the end enhance business and gives a competitive advantage in the fast-paced food market. So it also helps in forecasting. So AI-driven forecasting models offer accurate demand predictions, which help prevent stock issues and refine supply chain decisions. So this capability can ensure the food industry stay agile and efficient, perfectly aligned with consumer needs and preferences. So let's introduce our model, that is FutureFoodsAI. So we are excited to unveil FutureFoodsAI, our innovative platform that harnesses AI technologies to improve various facets of the agriculture and food industry. So our platform includes features like precision farming. So we are utilizing AI to analyze vast amount of data to enhance crop yield, provide precise weather forecast, and enables the early detection of disease and pest. So this allows farmers to take proactive measures to protect their crops. So other feature is like quality control. Our AI-driven automated inspection system are revolutionizing quality control in food manufacturing. So by setting new standards for food safety and reliability, we ensure that only high quality products reach consumers. So it also helps in supply chain management. So our platform supports food standard monitoring, inventory management, and enforcing hygiene standard among workers, which led to more efficient and sales journey from farm to table. So next is product development. So our platform leverage AI-driven predictive analytics to enable companies to more effectively align their offering with consumer preference. So this approach minimizes the guesswork that typically involved in product development, facilitating faster adaptation to market trends. Next, our focus is on food safety. So by investing AI, our platform enhances food safety protocols and extends the shelf life of food products. It also focuses on enhancing the overall quality of food while reducing production costs and making premium food more accessible to broader audience. So our platform also supports the personalized nutrition. So our platform acknowledges the significance of individual health and employs AI to craft personalized nutrition plan. We analyze each user's health data and dietary preference and provide customized nutrition advice according to their needs. So basically our ambition with FutureFoodsAI is to revolutionize the agriculture and food industry, making them more efficient, sustainable, personalized through the transformative power of AI.